was probably told that he wasn't going to get his cash.
So he had to.
Campaign until he came out.
I mean, you think he'd be lenient because now he has a voting record that you can attach to him, but he doesn't come out. You know, there's no wall to stick anything to because he's just not there. And it works for him. I mean, it's worked for 2 election cycles.
But he does have a voting record. And he is going to damage people in New Jersey.
Yes, yes.
You know that VoteSmart website wants you to register now. It's not as easy to get information. Because a couple, I think, Politico or the Daily Beast make you sign up in order to get their was probably told that he wasn't going to get his cash.
So he had to.
Campaign until he came out.
I mean, you think he'd be lenient because now he has a voting record that you can attach to him, but he doesn't come out. You know, there's no wall to stick anything to because he's just not there. And it works for him. I mean, it's worked for 2 election cycles.
Which is completely depressing. We could win this thing because.
But he does have a voting record. And he is going to damage people.
Yes,